Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Balram Prasad and I'm working with Microsoft as a senior software engineer. And in this demo, today let's see that what is web scraping and how we can write such automation or such program into Azure Synapse Analytics. And web scraping is when the process of gathering too much information from internet, right? Internet has a lot of web pages, website, and if we have to get some information from some site, we can do manually, or if it is repetitive process, we can do automated also. And that automation, what we do for that called web scraping. And generally, you should have a valid reason why you want to do that one, because you might need to reach out that web page owner and website owner to check if they allow web scraping or not. But how we can do that one in this demo, we are going to see with the help of Azure Synapse Analytics instance and Spark pool using Python. We can write and see that how we can connect to web services, website, how we can get the data, and how we can try to parse that one. So it will be simple, a small demo. So let's quickly go to our Azure portal. I have already created Azure Synapse Analytics into previous video where we were doing some of the data visualization and data analytics work into using PySpark and Spark SQL. So let's open this Azure Synapse Analytics instance, web Synapse Studio, and then we have already created a Spark pool into previous video. So it is very easy. If we go into manage section, we can go and create the Spark pool, and we can give the name and whatever node size, whatever node family we want to use, whatever number of node we want to use, and additional setting we want to provide. We can do all and create that one. So it is already created. So let me go into develop section. Let me create one notebook. Let's put some name. So I am importing right now pandas HPD and date time and other details. So let me run this command. I have already attached this Spark pool here. So Spark pool attached, we can run this one. And now let's see that there is a website called world data information where company code is there, country code is there. So let's see that. So this is the place where a lot of country is present and details data is present, and what domain and that other details are present. Let's try to read this one. So this is the data source URL. Panda is going to read as HTML from this data source, and then we are displaying here in the terms. So if we can see that, we are able to see the data, right? The country, and so we are able to reach to website, we are able to collect that data, and we are able to put it here. So if you want to apply any transformation logic, suppose we want to do some lower casing, then we can pass lambda parameter and we can do that one. And let's see that it should be, if you see some of the things here into uppercase also, so we can see that now it is more on all this lowercase also. So we can apply some transformation on that one. Suppose we have some white space into columns. So let's see that how we can remove that. And this one, some of the article I saw from MS SQL tips also. So that is also a great place to look into. So let's see that. So it removes all the white spaces. Now this is pandas data frame. Now if we want to create a top of temporary view over there, we can convert this into a Spark frame, and then we can save this as a temporary view. So this is what I am doing right now, creating data frame out of that one, a Spark data frame, and then we are saving as a temporary view. So if somebody is familiar with now SQL, they can go and write this Spark SQL also. They can run that way also. They can do. So this is one of the simple example how we can do scraping. Let's go a couple of more example that how to reach other sites also. So let's see. This is Wikipedia where the information for cities into United Kingdom is given. So let's see the details here. Yeah, this is the site details. So we have that information, and we just read that one. Let's see after printing what it means. Just print the details, whatever we have read from that place. So that is how we can read. Also, we can massage also. Let's read a couple of more places. Let's read. This is a fake job site where we can there are job posting and we want to search that one. So this is that place where we will go and see that, okay, this is that all the details we can find from that job portal. And there is another package called Beautiful Soap, which will help us to go and run some more commands very easily and find the details. So I just given that input page content which we got from this sale, and then we got the output into SOAP format. And let's see that if we go and scroll this one little bit, we had one container called result container. This is result container, right? This is the id div id equals to result container. So how we can get the text and details of this id container? So we can go and run based on id equals to result container, and with this soap is going to find that package is going to find for us, and then it will give the input so that we can see the details we got from all the div inside that one. And we can use the prettify command for that also, the output, and this seems little bit prettify from that whatever earlier output we printed on that console. So let's see that how we can find using some div and class tag, right? So let's try to find this one, and let's try to print this. So this way also we can find using our CSS class another thing which is applied into the detail. So once we see that one, there are more ways we can go and find. Suppose we want to find based on H2, H3 and paragraph tags, then inside that one we can go and find, and this way we can see that in all H2, H3 or paragraphs and other things are being find out. So that also we can do. And if we just wanted to print inside text only, note the tags, HTML tags also, we can go and run that one. This is the text command which we are doing, so that we can do. And then we can go a little bit more on this side, and there are good thing that we can pass the lambda function and other things also. If you see that we have passed the lambda function, we want to pass that text equals slower and other things, we can do that way. And let's see that we can click something over there. So we can see all this input, all this coming on the lower ones, H2, which we have find from H2. So all this coming. So let's see some more details. If you want to find that what links and URL are there where we can apply. So this is the applied here link URL. So we can get all the details of link href from that one, that whatever href is being used inside that one anchor tag for inside that element, we can find all the details. So that is how we can also do. Let's try to see another example also. One, if we want to suppose this URL has something where, let's see what kind of URL it is there. So let's quickly check this one. This has that image and other things. So if we have something where we want to check that, okay, let's see that details. Let's print whatever text is there. So this is all text inside that command is there. Beautiful soap is giving that. And if you want to see that one, how much image is there inside that one based on all image, then we can go and see the details that, okay, this is the image we have right now. So we can find all the image and do that one. So it is pretty easy to do this one with the help of this, and there are great tutorials over there, but I just wanted to show you that how we can do inside Synapse using the Python and other things. So that is there, and we can save this output into Azure SQL or Synapse SQL or Azure Lakes, and then we can save this notebooks, and we can run with integrate, or we can run with the Azure Data Factory, and that's how we can automate it. So that is what I wanted to share with you. Hopefully you will like this one. Thank you.